Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla CVT LE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in Barcelona red. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your aggressive sporty front end, beautiful red color that pops, daytime running lights, and of course we have that trunk release button on the key fob which allows for easy access. But now why don't we head inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons, as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom we do have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with black sport cloth seating and all-weather mats. And on the bottom you do have your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside. Start this Corolla up. To do so, press this button on your key fob and that key does pop out. So first we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you have this cluster, and this just allows you to navigate through your multi-information display right in the center there. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and voice recognition system. On the right, you have your Toyota safety sense with dynamic cruise control, lane departure assist with your cruise control speed settings to the right of that. Moving on to our entertainment display screen here. Right now we're on home with the split screen going, which on the left you got your audio and any device that might be connected. We go press audio. That takes you to your sources. You got your AM and FM options, of course, as well as a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. Backup camera, glide lines, climate control system, nice and simple. You got these nice smooth turning dials. Underneath, you got a nice little storage compartment, perhaps to your phone. Driver and passenger heated seats. Behind the shifter, your 2 cup holders. Behind the 2 cup holders, you have your center console with 12-volt outlet and the USB port. And lastly, glove box. Nice and simple, plenty of space in there. But now let's just close that right up. Before we head to the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like the driver's side door. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black sport cloth seating. And of course, in the center, as always, we got 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. Let's just put that back where it came from. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this 3rd button on your key fob and that trunk will open for you nice and easy. Taking a look inside, plenty of cargo space for all your essentials. Of course, we have the folding seats that go down in case you need that extra bit of room. And underneath here, you do have your tools and spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you got to do is just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Corolla. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.